This type of question involves manipulation of equation comprising of two variables. So you will be given an equation and you notice that there are two variables which are x and y, and we are usually tasked to find the value of an algebraic fraction. In this case, it's 3x over 16y. However, we also need to note that 3x over 16y is same as saying 3 out of 16 times x over y. So in this case, if we can find a value of x over y, we can just multiply by 3 over 16 to get the final answer. So what is the strategy to handle such question? First, we are going to move all the x terms to the left-hand side and all the y terms to the right-hand side. So here we go. Now, we have 4x here. So, to remove 3x from the right-hand side, we are going to subtract 3x on both sides of the equation. Next, we have 5y here on the right-hand side, and we have plus 5y on the left-hand side. So to remove this plus 5y on the left-hand side, we are going to subtract both sides by y. And now we get x equal to 4y. Now remember, we wanted to find the value of x over y. So if you notice here, the x is on the left-hand side, and we have a y on the right-hand side. To make the left-hand side look like what is required here, we are going to divide both sides by y. So when we divide both sides by y, left-hand side, it becomes x divided by y, and the right-hand side is left with 4. Since 4y divided by y, the y will disappear, or it becomes 1. Now, next thing, we need to find 3 out of 16 times xy. So 3x over 16y is same as saying 3 out of 16 times 4. And now we simplify, and the answer is 3/4.